Hello, young learners. Today we have a list of 10 exciting things, starting with the letter D. Perfect for children aged 5 and under. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1. Dog, also known as man's best friend. Dogs love to play with people and kids, and they love to be part of your family. They wag their tails when they're happy too. Number 2. A dinosaur. Dinosaurs lived hundreds of millions of years ago. There were some small ones and very, very large ones. Number 3. Ducklings. A duckling is a small duck. Oh, look how cute they look, waddling after their mum. They like to swim in lakes and ponds. Number 4. Dancing. Wiggle and groove. Dancing is when you move your body to the sound of music. You can twist, twirl, bend, bounce, do whatever you want. Throw some shapes, dance like nobody's watching. Number 5. A drum. Listen to the sound of a drum. A drum is a musical instrument that you can hit with your hands or sticks. It makes a cool beat that you can dance to. Number 6. Delicious. Delicious is something that you find really, really tasty. It could be the eggs or the sausages or the bacon, or it could be something sweet like that yummy looking cookie. Number 7. Dreams. Close your eyes and dream. A dream is like a movie that plays in your mind whilst you're asleep. You can dream about anything. Flying, adventures, or going to magical places. Number 8. A dandelion. A dandelion is a fluffy flower with white seeds. Blowing on it makes the seeds fly away. She's having fun. Number 9. Doctors are incredible people that help people young and old for all types of problems from your head to your toes. They take measurements and listen to your body. Give you medicine to make you feel better. Amazing. Number 10. Donuts. Donuts are delicious, sweet, sugary treats. It can have a hole in the middle or be filled with things like jam and custard. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.